So, Dwight, tell him about the Kung Fu and the car and everything.
Yeah, I got a 78 280Z. I bought it for 1200, fixed it up, so now $3 grand.
That is his profit.
Yeah, new engine, suspension, I got respray, I got some photos.
Okay, hold on. Judge is in session. What is the problem here?
You put my stuff in Jello again!